First process is defining goal and objective. Now students, what you are going to organize when you are not able to build or understand what you are going to achieve. So before organizing is going to be done, it is very clear to you all that in planning we have been defining the objective, that how we are going to achieve the specific target. But in though or in a specific function, you have seen that we are also determining the objective, then we are going to plan. So in organizing, it is also very clear that you build the objective, that is what are the activities you are going to be performed, what is the nature of the work, what is the size of the organization which require more number of skilled person, more capital, time required, each and everything. So in the first process of organizing, you are going to clarify the objective very clearly, so that organizing can be easily done. No work is being ignored or being repeated. So objective is to be very clear to achieve the objective, to achieve the goal.